All right. Hi, guys. Welcome to another edition of Online Media. Woo! All right. So today I have taken you to the mountains to ski. Um, so I ski and I did not grow up skiing. I grew up with my family going places and doing things, but we never went skiing. I went skiing one time with a group over spring break, but it was like my only time skiing growing up. And then I married Mr. Ivan, and Mr. Ivan grew up skiing. And so he has now made me into a skier. And Mr. Ivan and Ridge, my fourth grader, they are both avid snowboarders. They go quite a few times every year. And one of the reasons that Mr. Ivan says that he never wants to leave North Carolina is because we are just perfectly placed to make it to the mountains for a day ski trip or to the beach. Um, and so we're just right here in this little lucky area of the world where you can be at an okay skiing mountain in like 2 hours, and you can be at the beach in three and a half, four. So I think that's pretty lucky of us, right? Yeah, we've got it going on. So okay, I thought that I would create this little ski area for you. I don't want to call it a resort. This is more like you're on the slope, right? I thought I would create this ski world for you because in talking to many of my students, many of you are like me. You did not grow up skiing. And I wanted to share this with you because I also did not grow up skiing, but have found a passion for it later in life. And like watching my kids grow up trying out this sport. So, a couple of things to note on this board. The shack, when you click it, click the roof of the shack. These little skis that are over here, so I don't know, like if when we go skiing, whenever we go inside somewhere, we leave our skis outside, right? And like when you have snow there, you just take both the skis and you whoosh, down in the snow. And they stand up. I mean, sometimes there are racks and stuff that you can put your ski on, but you don't want to leave your skis lying down because they very well could just slide away. So you need to like shove them down. You like the noise I make when I do that? Shove them down in the snow. And look, I did do the wrong thing and like I left my poles lying on the ground. But poles aren't as like apt to ski down the hill as a ski is. But when you click these skis, you have to click like the kind of like the top area of this left one is where I linked it. It's two different, I think it's two different. I really worked hard to make this board, guys. This was like pulling things from scratch. These are two different images, and I think if you click on the right one, the right ski is going to take you to the snow shack stuff. And so like, this is supposed to be like the little mountain, like grab some food as you're skiing shack. But the left ski is what I have linked. Click the umbrella, the top of the umbrella. That's going to take you somewhere. Yeah, it's just the top of the umbrella that's going to take. All right, the bird. Obviously the snowman and the skiers and the snowboarder. This is a sign. So when you go skiing, there are different signs to tell you the difficulty of the slope. So you've got like, I think blue squares and green diamonds, red circles, black diamond, no, not blue diamonds, blue triangles, black diamonds and double black diamonds. So I am nowhere near a black diamond. I actually like to stay on the green triangles. What's the blue? Blue squares. Green triangles and the blue squares. Those are the easiest, and that's where I like to stay. I also live in a wedge. So a wedge is like how you do your skis in like this, and it slows you down. So I live in a wedge whenever I'm skiing. You're supposed to be like scoot to the side too, but I'm not a scooter. I just like a down the mountain. But my boys are black diamond guys. So they will hit up some of the black diamonds. I've never been down one. I can't even tell you what it would be like. Ridge he's done black diamonds other places, but he tried his first like real black diamond last New Year's and was like, oh my gosh, Mom. And I'm glad I didn't see it because I don't want to see my baby bust it like that. Mr. Ivan said that he ate it quite a few times and that it was steep and icy and like that freaks me out. No. That is not what skiing is about to me. Skiing is about having fun and enjoying yourself. Okay, so this little board is a click. And then up here, this is a ski lift. And the left ski lift is a click, so like over on this side to the left. And then the person riding the ski lift, again, that's another Miss Whitfield, is also a click. But look, here's the wrong thing. I don't snowboard. I only ski. So I would not have a snowboard dangling off my foot. But that's what it looks like when you are riding a ski lift after you've gone down the slopes. um, your skis and your boards, they dangle from your feet. And you just kind of let it there, like let it dangle while you're going up the mountain, and you don't take things out of your pockets. Like, actually, I think one of these is like ski lift safety. And so it teaches you how to be safe on the ski lift, but you don't take things out of your pocket to like take a selfie, or you might drop your cell phone and you lose it. Most people drop their ski poles and their gloves. There have been a couple of cell phones dropped too. And most of the time, if you drop it, you either have to have someone that loves you very much, like Mr. Ivan, go fish it out for you. Not saying that he's ever had to go fish anything for me. But I mean, they really have to like hike. They have to like go down the mountain, and then you have to like hike over, because the areas under the ski lifts are not areas where you go, and not areas that are really safe to be. So someone has to like work really hard to get that stuff back. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little glimpse into the world of skiing that I know. I'm sure there might be worlds of skiing that other people know that I don't know, but I hope you enjoyed this and that you have a wonderful day.